Good day everyone. So today we're going to show our work on RWS. So the topic our make is senior high school students' attitude on studying at late night. Studying at night is commonly done by many students, especially when they need to finish or pass some things by the next day. In the quiet of the night, some people can think and focus better while others get tired and sleepy quickly. Because of this, senior high school students have varying perspective studying at night. Some students believe they study more effectively and at this time, while others still prepare to rest and to be ready for the next day. In this study, our aim is to determine how late night studying affects the habits, performance, and the feeling of senior high school in their studies.
Data gathered using pressure-based the reasons and looking about I will students with diverse personalities and study schedules to gain different perspectives. I will also try to get answers from students in different strands and grade levels to make the research result more colorful and authentic.
Discuss how health belief model can explain student health-related decision regarding late-night studying, perceived benefits belief about the effectiveness of late-night studying. Include a diagram illustrate the relationship between the conceptual and theoretical component. Uy, di pa tapos. Okay na yun.
May tanong pa. Okay guys, ready na ba yung video natin guys? So, akong tatanungin si De Guzman. First question for De Guzman. What factors influence senior high school students to study late at night?
Factors influence senior high school students to study late at night is to identify the internal and external motivators that lead students to stay up late for study. The possible factors is academic workload or upcoming exams and time management or procrastination habits.
Okay, thank you. So, second question for Kura. How do students perceive the effectiveness of late night studying compared to daytime studying?
So many students think studying at night helps them focus better because it's quiet. Others like studying in morning since they have more energy.
Studied. Okay. Number 3 for Visconde. What are the common reasons why students choose to study late at night?
Students commonly choose to study late at night due to daytime commitment such as classes, work, or extra Sagot ko na ulitin ko. Wait lang. Student commonly choose to daytime. Ay, tangin talaga. Game. Ito na talaga. Ayoko na. Student commonly choose Student commonly choose to study late at night do daytime common such as classes or extra. Ina. Ito na. Nakakakotal kasi ito eh. Game. Sorry. Ito na. Student commonly choose to study late at night due daytime commitment such as classes, work, or extracurricular activities. Procrastination on
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
This is our presentation. Okay, thank you po.